If you don't know how to make kebab, this video is for you guys. Welcome to this channel, Sarah's Kitchen. And guys, today we're gonna be making kebab, and we have all the ingredients that we are going to use. Examples are flour, we have bread, we have onion, we have eggs, we have garlic, paprika, onion powder, we have coriander, and also we have minced meat. So guys, stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making kebab step by step. And in case you are new here, kindly subscribe, watch and share, and let's get started. Hope you're going to enjoy this video because today I'm planning to explain into details how I will be cooking my kebab. Today I'm not going to add music, I'll just explain so that you get to understand. So first thing first, we are going to saute our onion guys, and nimetumia 3 pieces of onions, that's why ni mingi hivo. So in your case, when you are planning to cook kebab, make sure umeongeza vitunguu mingi ndio zikuwe flavorful. And then we are going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil also, and then we are going to give it around 3 minutes because we want our onion to ive lakini isikuwe golden brown, at least ive kidogo. That's when we go in with your ginger, garlic, if you want, but in my case I will just be using garlic because sipendi ugali na kuanga kwa ginger. That's why I'm planning to use only garlic. So I used 5 cloves of garlic, yeah. And then I'm going, after nimeongeza hapo guys, I'm going to wait for around another 3 minutes ziive vizuri ndio ni go in with my spices nazo ni paprika and onion powder. Those are the spices that I'm going to use. You can use seasoning cube, unaweza tumia any other spices of your choice like black pepper and cumin. In my case guys, nilikuwa nataka tu hizo mbili. And then we are going to give it around 2 minutes ndio ziive vizuri before we add coriander. And coriander in this case is a must. So when you're planning to make kebab, make sure ujaacha coriander cause inafanya your kebab flavorful, yeah, and so delicious. So guys, hii recipe sikupita, make sure you go and try and let me know in the comment section. It might require a lot of time, but trust me, after kuzikula you will be making almost every day. So tumeweka our coriander guys, and we are just giving it around 1 minute at least zive pamoja, and then we mix everything together guys. So after 1 minute we are going to set aside our onions, and then we are going to mix with our minced meat ndio hiyo hapo as you can see. So we are going to transfer everything to our minced meat, and then we are going to mix everything together. But before we mix with our minced meat guys, if you have breadcrumbs you can add, and then after adding your breadcrumbs unaweza ongeza 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk ndio at least your kebab zikuwe moist. But in my case sikuwa na breadcrumbs, so I decided to use 2 slices of bread. And this is how we do it. Tutaweka maji into a separate bowl, hiyo ya green, and then we're going to transfer our bread kwa hiyo maji, to soak kwa hiyo maji, and then we squeeze the water, and then we add to our mixture of onions and minced meat like that. The reason as to why we are doing this, because we want our kebab to be moist, yeah, as I have explained with the breadcrumbs. So guys, it is as simple as that. Ndio hiyo na squeeze excess water, and then I'm going to add, and we are going to mix everything together until fully combine, until uone zimekuwa combine. And guys, before we go on, unaona hizi gloves, imagine I sent someone to buy me gloves, and hizi ndizo aliniletea, and then I was like nitafanya nini, we'll just use it because gloves ni gloves, sindio? So we are going to mix everything together. As you can see, it will just take 2 to 3 minutes. And while buying minced meat, make sure buy on fatty side ndio at least your kebab zikuwe moist once again na zikuwe juicy. I think, yeah, it will explain everything. So guys, we are going to mix until uone ziko well combined or fully combined. And then after that guys, we are going to form kebab patty. As you know, the logo za kebab in Kenya ama signature za kebab in Kenya. So that's what we are going to do. To form a log like the way kebab looks like in Kenya. Ama sijui the other places venye huwa zinakaa, but in our place this is how we do it guys. And so after that tutaziform. Let us form together guys, like that. You're going to make sure umepima size ya nyama zikuwe zinatoshana zote. So we are going to form. Let's see zenye zitatokea. So remember to subscribe, watch and share in this channel. And finally guys, we are done. This is what you are working with. Tutaziset at side for 10 minutes ndio zimarinate, and we will be back. So guys, our 10 minutes are over, and so we are going to coat our kebab patties with all-purpose flour like that, step by step, ndio at least they stick with our eggs. And so guys, we are done coating our kebab patties with all-purpose flour. As you can see, the next thing we are going to use are 2 eggs. Na sidhani 2 eggs zitakuwa enough, so I will be adding 1 more. And we mix them, and then we are going to add salt. You can add salt sai ama unaweza ongeza while mixing your minced meat with onion. That's the best time, but in my case nitaongeza kwa mayai since nilisahau kuongeza kwa minced meat. Now that you are done preparing everything, wacha tuongeze mafuta yetu into our pan, and then we are going to wait a little bit. Ikuwe moto kiasi tu before we go in with our kebab guys, and the last step tutakuwa tunaweka our kebab into a egg wash like that, and then to coat our kebab na hiyo mayai. And once we are done coating with eggs guys, the last thing we are going to do, tutaweka kwa mafuta yetu like that. We repeat the same process to the rest of the kebabs, and we cook until golden brown. Once we are done cooking guys, tutazitoa zote, and then we're going to coat again with eggs until you achieve the coat that you want guys. It is as simple as that. Hope you are going to enjoy this video and hope you are going to try the recipe, and let me know what you think in the comment section. And that's it for today, and hope you've enjoyed the video once again, and bye bye guys, and we see you in the next one.